समुद्र ग्राम देखा जैसे वैसे प्रॉफिट है वैसे प्रॉफिट का प्रॉफिट अकरिंग ड्यूरिंग द राइटफुल ओनर एक्सक्लूसिव फ्रॉम प्लान ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी बट does not include profit occurring from improvement made by the lawful doer. समझ में आ रहा है? फिर एग्जांपल है A is the owner of tented room, tented house and B take wrongful position. He also dig a borewell in the compound and make a profit by selling the water from the well. In such case, he can recover from B the rent collected by A. This is interest. Example. Vested profits are profit occurs during the rightful owner exclusion from the land of property. Vested profit occurs during the exclusion of owner from his property, but does not include the profit occurring from the improvement made by the wrongful owner.
He made the wrongful. He made the borrowing. The wrongful owner made the.
So he can't get the benefit.
He cannot get. That is his profit.
He can cover. A is the owner of the tented house. B take wrongful position. He also digs. In such case, A can recover. A is the owner from the rent collected by him. So वो कौन सा collect किया? क्या? A can recover from the rent collected by B. क्या? A can recover from the rent collected by B. So A B ने भी rent ही collected.
More what he is saying.
However, he cannot recover the profit paid by B from the well. ये समझ में आ गया कि क्या है? A can recover from the rent. B और भी rent ही collected
From the property. From the property.
Suppose ये हमारा घर है, उसको मैंने wrongful position ले लिया, तो how you will collect property rent from me? You can collect his house right now. But you think rent collected by B. So how will we collect B rent?
You are in wrongful position.
I am in wrongful position. So you can collect the rent from me. But what he says, A can recover from the rent collected by B. How much the rent? How I am collecting rent? Rent is
Wrongful position. Who is taking wrongful position?
A can recover from the rent. Rent आना चाहिए. Rent collected. B ने कौन से collect किया? What rent I collected so that you want to collect from me?
होता है. Net profit is the profit acquired by a wrongfully processed person. Only he makes some improvements on the land, like if we make border
Take
like that.
example. You are the rightful owner, so I to belong to possession of this land. So you have a right to collect the rent from me. Suppose इस घर अब मैं इसमें क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट करूँ?
If you dig a borewell,
घर इस घर में